Welcome back to this video. Today we are going to look at how you can pass the Gotranscript exams. So after you've created an account, you come here and click apply now. Select your language. I've selected English. And what opens up is the must complete quiz, which you must score 100%, okay? So we are going to go through each and every question. The first question, which sentence is correctly capitalized and punctuated? I like to use Facebook. It is my favorite way of keeping in touch with relatives. So that one is correct. That one is correct. So what is considered as filler word in full verbatim? This one and this one. There are good books out there. If there is a sentence, last month I went to Warsaw, the capital of Poland, but the speaker pronounces it as Warszaw. How will you transcribe the name of the capital? Vilnius, the capital city of Lithuania. So that is the correct answer. They want to check whether you know how to punctuate, and you must know the correct spelling of Lithuania, okay? Double quotation marks are used whenever there is a direct quotation and for internal dialogues, okay? Why should you always transcribe files on your own? Using AI is a breach of GT's advertisement of 100% human-generated transcription services. Besides, the AI won't help you with the real work, either due to its quality. Yeah, so this one is, even if AI produces nonsense, the most important thing is that the client understands the meaning. No, this one is wrong, okay? Please read the guidelines before filling out the application form. What are the basic rules of apply while transcribing an audio in clean verbatim? So longer speeches should be separated into smaller paragraphs. The beginning of a sentence should always be capitalized. Punctuation is not a part of... No, this one is wrong, okay? If you do not transcribe audio according to Gotranscript guidelines, what will happen? You will be removed from the team.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
I've often wondered what would happen if I just ad-libbed a test rather than writing it out and trying to insert potential errors for potential transcribers like yourself. Would it really be any different than just making it nice and structured? I don't think so, and here's why. Ad-libbing is a time-honored tradition amongst, let's say 1,500 stand-up comics and rappers of historical notes such as Burt Lahr, Jerry Seinfeld, and MC8. You may not know this, but MC and swimmer Ryan Lochte had a big argument a few years ago about the word Gaia, which Ryan wanted to trademark. Unfortunately for him, MC had already used it a lot. There's even a book about the whole thing called The Real MC8 Gaia. Oh, and just FYI, there's a hard and fast rule in the Gotranscript guidelines not to use exclamation points. But the one exception that proves the rule is if it's part of a media title such as a book or movie. Other examples include boom and that thing you do. You're also supposed to italicize media titles, and one of the biggest ways we know when you're using AI or copying from other people is when you don't do that. I really get a kick out of some of the applications we get, though, because some of them even leave in the tagline for the AI program they're using. Um, did you know that Gotranscript specifically forbids users to use any kind of AI in either taking the tests or doing the work? It's true. And if we find out you're using it, you'll get kicked off faster than double struck lightning. In the year 2000, AI didn't even exist, and yet at least 2,000 people were already thinking about it as a possibility. One last thing before I finish this test. Sometimes I ask you to answer a question to prove you're a real person, and I'm going to do that here as well. You must answer it in order for your test to even be considered. Now, answering it doesn't mean you'll pass, but it does mean that I will at least look at your test. The question in this test is, what do you think would be a good question for us to ask next time? Just put the answer right below this paragraph, but before the outro. Thanks.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.